revealing and fun. Kaya naman, let's all welcome Kuya MJ Felipe! Hi, Kuya MJ!
Grabe, hindi naman ako sanay.
Yes.
Parang I'm usually on that side of the table.
Yes.
But hello, everybody.
How are you, Kuya MJ?
I'm good. How are you? Thanks for doing this, Ayan.
Yes, thank you so much also for having me, Kuya MJ. But, of course, Kuya MJ...
Ready ka na ba? Ang dami namin tanong sa'yo.
Ay,
ikaw ba yun?
Ayoko. Ako yung pagtatanong for
Okay.
today.
Okay.
Diba? But first, Kuya MJ, first of all, congratulations on the new show, RUG.
Thank you.
How has it been so far?
It's been fun kasi RUG is totally different from what I usually do in TV Patrol. Sa TV Patrol, syempre, di ba, hard hitting, like current events or something like that. Pero sa RUG, it's just fun and light. Wala masyadong intriga. May mga revelations here and there, pero it's mostly fun and seeing the quirky and fun side ng mga celebrities.
Yes.
Saka, you know, natatry ko rin yung mga different activities na hindi ko natatry noon.
Yes.
Na-enjoy ko siya. Kasi, hindi lang ng lahat, back in 2006, I was the head writer of Us Girls. It's a lifestyle show in Studio 23, hosted by Iya Villania, Angel Aquino, and Chessa Garcia Kramer. And na-expose ako sa lifestyle magazine show for like 7 or 9 years. So, when this show was offered, parang nag-flashback lahat na parang, uy, dati I was doing this, parang, but I was head writing it, but now I'm in it, you know, hosting it. So medyo exciting siya.
I know. We are so excited to see more. I think recently you just released an episode.
Akala ko an album. You released
an album?
Album? Oh yes!
Yes,
The
with
Maki
Maki.
exclusive house tour,
Yes.
very first. Dibs on his new place
Yes.
last Monday. Today we released Rive.
Yes.
Nag-trampoline park kami. At my age, nag-trampoline park pa ako. So, yun.
Grabe, sobrang fun talaga ng RUG. But of course, I feel like our friends from the media, Kuya MJ, are very curious to know what RUG is all about. Kaya, let's watch this short clip about RUG,
May
which is fairly
pasilya.
new. Yes.
Magkano sila maging part ng RUG, mag-guest sa RUG. Recently, I just want to share trade event natin sa ABS-CBN.
Yes.
So I had the chance to talk to Coco Martin and Julia Montes. In-invite ko sila to RUG. So they said yes.
Yay!
We already finalized our concept. So dates na lang, schedules na lang nila yung inaawitan namin. Pero they already said yes.
Yes, we're excited.
Nakakatawa, ikaw mag-RUG ka na rin. Today na. After nitong
Today, actually, ready na po kami.
Oo, mag-RUG tayo with Ayana.
Yes, but Kuya MJ, I love it. It's a very different take on like
Yes.
the usual interview shows
Yes.
or talk shows. I need to know, Kuya MJ, you do so many fun things with our favorite artists. Do you choose activities or?
Sometimes, katulad ng kay Catherine, so nag-usap kami. Originally, the plan was to play tennis. Kasi nagka-tennis si
Yes.
Catherine, but yung place kasi niya sa Makati is not yet done. So wala kaming parang standby or whatever area. So we did workout na lang together. Ang hindi ko lang inaasahan is sobrang galing ni Catherine sa leg workouts.
Yes.
With the help of Coach Mauro Lumba, who also is the trainer of Darren and AC Bonifacio, and a lot of stars. So, yun. May mga times naman that the staff of RUG chooses the activity na gagawin, like the trampoline park. Basta ang gusto namin talaga is different or outside the studio. Para makita namin, we have to bring the celebrities outside to show their sporty side or fun side. Like with JM De La Serna and Mariel of TNT, we did roller skating. Nag-roller skates kami. Sino pa ba yung mga sunod natin? The Showtime online new hosts, dinala ko sila sa time zone.
Wow.
So nag-ano kami, nag-arcade kami. So mga ganyan. Baka meron kayo suggestions sa mga artista na gusto nyo pagawa namin sa kanila. Liza Dino and Ice Guerra, we did cooking. House visit and cooking then at the same time. Kaya siya, and that's the challenge in this show is to have the artist say yes to the activity aside or apart from their busy schedule. So, ina-explain naman namin na gusto sana namin meron talagang challenge or activity. Tapos, kasi yun yung purpose ng RUG. Are you game?
I have to know, MJ, of course, we all know na medyo challenging talaga for some artists to say yes kapag, mga ganitong activities. So how, besides the friendship part, how are you able to kind of push them to show that side of theirs?
Actually, ang maganda dyan is, I think I discussed this with our writers or with the team na yung mga celebrities kasi meron din silang sensitivities. So, for the past 21 years ko with ABS, parang I learned how to know kung ano yung mga sensitivities ng mga artista. Hindi mo sila pwedeng pagawin ng ganitong activity agad-agad. Baka kasi it might put them on a bad light. May ganun kang consideration. Baka may hindi komportable yung artista doing a workout. So, yun yung isa sa mga things that we learned and I relate dun sa team na when it comes to choosing activities for the celebrities. Parang ganyan. Meron namang mga times na hinahayaan namin yung artista magsabi sa amin kung ano yung gusto nila gawin. MJ, daling ka na lang namin dito. Parang ganon. May ganon din silang moments na ayaw nila yung activity. Ayaw ko lang sabihin yung artista. Nag-pitch ako ng activity, ayaw gawin. Okay, sige, anong gusto mong gawin? Nag-pitch siya, okay ako dyan.
Yes.
So parang ganon.
So,
meet halfway. Yeah, meet halfway.
Yes. I love it. Parang it's meeting halfway.
Ikaw, if you're going to do RUG, anong gusto mong gawin?
Oh my gosh, baking siguro.
Meron nang gagawa ng baking. Nakunan ka na ng baking.
Gymnastics with Carlos Yulo.
Ay! Bakit si Carlos Yulo?
Kasi I was a gymnast also.
Oh!
So parang gusto ko ma-experience with a pro. Ganon.
Interesting.
Diba?
Diba yung ganyan katulad niyan? Hindi natin alam, gymnast pala si Ayan. Episode na ba ito?
It's an RUG. Are you
Diba?
a gymnast?
So nagulat, diba? Nagulat ako parang gymnast ka pala. So you're gonna teach me how to do the ribbons,
I've never done the ribbon.
the ball.
Yes.
Anong handlebars?
Yung lang, on the floor exercise.
Oh, wow! So marunong ka ng mga ginagawa ni Sunshine?
Yung mga, but without the ribbon.
Pero yung flip na gano'n, kaya mo yan?
Baka nawala na siya. It's been so long kasi.
This is it. Next episode, next week,
What?
schedule na natin si Ayana. I'm interested. Tuturuan mo ako. Saka yung outfit dyan, di ba may outfit
yes,
yan?
Yung mga suits
Ayan.
and stuff. I love
I'm
it.
interested. Let's do this.
Yes, I'm so excited. Grabe. But of course, Kuya MJ, first of all, it's an honor to be here.
Thank you.
So, same with Ate Bianca. And I'm sure our friends from the media also want to learn